Moving over to our top 5, the COMELEC has presented that the third data center that will be used for the 2025 midterm polls. The data center is located in Parañaque in addition to 2 others in Makati. These facilities will receive the votes transmitted from voting precincts.
Gusto natin malaman ng sambayanan, saan ba located dyan, saan pinapadala yung lahat ng results, saan ba yung pinaka-servers ng mga commission ng elections. Kasi dati-dati bigla na lang magtataka, bakit meron sa Parañaque? Ano yung nasa Parañaque? Ano yung nandito sa Makati? Ngayon, 3 po ang ating data centers.
Meanwhile, the poll body is calling on candidates to register their social media platforms. This is part of their monitoring strategy during the campaign period.
Ang takot lang, yung mga magwawalang hiya, yung mga, alam na natin, aabuso, lalo na't medyo meron silang pera o kaya dahil sa may kakayanan sila, kung i-disqualify kaya namin kayo.
Yan. At nung isang araw din o yesterday, nagpalabas din sila na tuluyan talaga officially, baba na nila ang TikTok. When it comes to campaigning. Sabi ko nga, di ba, nung nanalo si former President Rodrigo Duterte, he utilized yung Facebook. Nung nanalo itong si PBBM TikTok.
Pero how could you ban TikTok? Because ang dami nagpo-post na followers na not associated with the candidates.
Yes.
Oo, di ba?
Tapos yung pagre-register mo ng social media, maraming pwedeng mag-create ng mga fake accounts.
Actually, ang dami. Like for example, there was a case in point na yung kay Senator Bam Aquino, there were 3 accounts. Yung sa 3 accounts, 2 may blue check. Di ba? Pero
kasi you can purchase blue checks.
Oo, you can purchase a blue check. Pero nakita nila at I think long time ago na ayos si Senator Bam Aquino yan, na point out nila na yung isang blue check na was a paid blue check, which is not the original.
Right.
The original one was yung blue check na granted by Facebook to actual influencers or politicians or people of standing.
Oo. Di ba nga kasama yan dun sa panata wall nung
yes,
ng
napirmahan nila
COMELEC
after
na mangangako sila na hindi gagamit ng AI, ganyan. Kasi ang dami kasing AI ngayon, mga deepfake ba?
Ang dami naman pledge wall pinipirman ever since tingnan mo nangyari sa bansa natin.